Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best attic antenna in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best attic antenna. Starting at number 5, we have the Antennas Direct 8-element Bowtie TV antenna. These antennas are multi-directional and can be installed on versatile surfaces, including the attic, walls, or even the roof. There is a bracket that allows you to turn the panels with antennas, in case you want to improve the quality of the signal or change it. Hardware is covered with a special coating, water, and wind resistant. There are different options offered to customers. You can buy 45-mile, 60-mile, and 70-mile antennas. I recommend going for the 70-mile antenna, as it is perfect for any location, even rural or suburbia. On the item, there are 8 compact Bowtie antennas with a changeable direction. You receive free access to multiple networks, available in full HD quality. This product is comfortable to install, even on the roof. It comes with detailed instructions. However, there are no coaxial cables or mount in the pack. If you don't have them at home and you believe you need them, you can order both separately. Antennas Direct developers offer a lifetime warranty on some parts of the antenna. Moving on at number 4. We have the Myktory Digital HDTV antenna. This antenna looks futuristic and stylish. Besides, it is incredibly powerful. From your TV set to the broadcast tower can be 150 miles distance. It also comes with an RG6 coaxial cable on 40 feet. The antenna is multi-directional, which helps to find the signal in no time. Besides, this design doubles the number of networks you can watch. The reception angle of this item is 180 degrees. As for the quality of video and audio, the antenna accepts and transmits uncompressed HD pictures, 4 kelvins, and even channels with 3D. There is no need to pay for cable. This antenna offers you to keep up with local news, weather forecasts, children programs, sitcoms, and sports free of charge. At number 3, we have the GE Pro Attic Mountable TV antenna. No matter what you are looking for, whether it is an indoor item or OTA attic antenna, this is the perfect choice for full HD 1080p fans, with VHF and UHF powerful signals. This antenna is resistant to versatile weather conditions. It offers multiple free-of-charge channels in HD quality. Networks like PBS, CBS, NBC, Fox, and ABC are there for you. You don't have to pay for cable TV to watch TV shows, movies, kids programs, or sports. The signal is uncompressed and clear, no matter where you put the antenna. The area of coverage is 70+ miles from the broadcasting tower. GE Company offers smart technologies for your house. It is an American developer with a huge audience of satisfied customers. They offer a lifetime warranty for the antenna. I, personally, like it because it is extremely simple to attach even to the wall or roof. The grip is tight enough and can handle storms or severe winds and rains. If you need coax cable or antenna amplifier splitter from GE, you can order it together with this product. At number 2, we have the Antennas Direct Clearstream 4 TV antenna. This antenna also covers over 70 miles distance to the broadcasting towers. No matter what obstacles are on the way, including buildings, mountains, or other location specifics, this powerful tool provides high-quality video and audio. You can watch free channels like MeTV, CW, ABC, NBC, Fox. There are numerous networks and channels in 1080 Full HD quality. Black antenna in the form of 8. The design of these antennas is multi-directional. which guarantees a wider range of reception and possibilities for TV owners. The product consists of 4 powerful antennas, 20 inches mount, hardware that is resistant to any weather conditions. Antennas Direct developers offer a lifetime warranty for some parts of the product. They are a popular brand that provides you with free TV channels no matter where you are. While the coaxial cable is sold separately, you can buy it from them. Antennas are easy to install. And finally, at number 1, we have the RCA Yagi Satellite HD antenna. This antenna offers clear signal reception on your TV set of 4K 1080p. It allows you to watch your favorite network channels, including NBC, Fox, and even ABC, with a high resolution. Besides, you will not have to pay bills from cable TV or prolong your monthly subscription, as you can watch all the sitcoms free of charge. It is not limited to 4 Kelvin's pictures, and some programs are transmitted in 8 Kelvin's high quality. This product does not have to stay nearby the broadcast tower. The signal will be received in the range of 70 miles. Forget about storms and heavy rains. This antenna withstands different weather outdoors. You can arrange it either in the attic or outside the house. Don't worry, the whole installation process does not take long. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.